Today's our concept is arithmetic progression. What is the sequence of arithmetic progression? Now let us see. So if we have to take the sequence of the arithmetic progression, that is a plus t, a plus 2d, and so on, a plus n minus 1 into d. What is the first term here? First term t1 is equal to a. Now how to get the second term? The second term is a plus t. How to get the second term is we have to add the constant number to the first term. By that we will get the second term. Means is nothing but if we have to add a fixed number to the first term, we will get the second term. Like that, if we have to add the same fixed number to the second term, we will get the third term, and so on. Now see here, the first term t1 is equal to a. If we have to add the fixed number to first term, means the fixed number here is d, t2 is equal to a plus d. If we have to add the same fixed number to the second term, we will get the third term, that is t3 is equal to a plus d plus d, that is equal to a plus 2d, a plus 2d. And fourth term t4 is equal to, add the same fixed number to the second term, to the third term we will get the fourth term, that is a plus 2d plus d, that is equal to a plus 3d, and so on. Nth term tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here this fixed number, what we have to add the fixed number to the first term, by that we will get the second term, and the same fixed number we are adding to the second term, we will get the third term. That fixed number is called as the common difference. That fixed number is called as the common difference, that is represented with the d. So for finding the d value, we have to write the difference between t2 minus t1. Means the difference between two successive terms. Not only be the t2 minus t1, if we have to take the difference between any two successive terms, then we will get the common difference. So d is equal to t2 minus t1, that is equal to t3 minus t2, that is equal to t4 minus t3, and so on. Like that we have to write. So here d is called as the common difference. D is equal to common difference. So in sentence, suppose that if we have to find some term, that is if we have to find a 10th term, that is t10. t10 is equal to, how to do the t10 means, before finding the t10 we have to take tn, that is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now t10 is equal to a plus 10 minus 1 into d, that is equal to a plus 9d. Therefore, 10th term is equal to a plus 9d. Like that, if we have to find the 20th term, so in place of n, substitute 20. t20 is equal to a plus 20 minus 1 into d. Then we will get t20 is equal to a plus 19d. So here we have to observe one of the logic, that is the value before the d is 1 less than the term number. Which term that we have to take? If we have to subtract 1 from that one, we will get the preceding value of d. That is 10th term is equal to a plus 9d. Suppose if we want to get 15th term, how to find the 15th term? 15th term is equal to a plus 14d. 100 term, a plus 99d. 1000 term, a plus 999d. Now let us see some of the problems on this arithmetic progression. Find the 10th term of. Find the 10th term. Find the 10th term of AP 5, 1, minus 3, minus 7, and so on. What is the first term here? First term is represented with T1. T1 is equal to A is equal to 5. T1 is equal to A is equal to 5. And second term T2 is equal to A plus D, that is equal to 1. Now find the common common difference. What is the common difference? D is equal to, common difference D is equal to T2 minus T1, that is equal to 5. 1 minus 5 is nothing but minus 4. Therefore, common difference D is equal to minus 4. Now they have to ask find the 10th term. For finding the 10th term, first write the nth term. Nth term, how to represent the nth term? Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Here we have to find the 10th term. Substitute 10 in place of n. Therefore, T10 is equal to, what is the value of A here? 5 plus n value, 10 minus 1 into value of D minus 4. That is equal to 5 plus 9 into minus 4. 5 minus 36 is nothing but T10 is equal to minus 31. Therefore, 10th term of this sequence is what? Minus 31. This class will be going to run continuously in the next video. If you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe this channel and press on the bell icon.